How to hide Instagram following and followers list. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right of your screen and further tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Now, scroll down and under the Who Can See Your Content tab, tap on the Account Privacy option. Further, go ahead and toggle on the Private Account toggle button, and with this, your account will be private. Make sure that Instagram does not allow users to completely hide their following or followers list from everyone. However, making your account private will prevent the non-followers from viewing your following and followers list. So, this is how you can hide Instagram following and followers list. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.